Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. In today's Microsoft Excel lesson, you are going to learn that how easily you can convert your currency digits into alphabets. Guys, it is very useful for everyone, especially for those who are dealing with accounts and finance. They usually need to convert their digits into a text. First of all, I have an Excel workbook, accounts, and I have dollars amounts 204,999. So there is none of any shortcut to convert into a text, into a currency text. For this purpose, we need to write a small code, small VB code to convert directly into a text. So first of all, we have needed a developer tab to write a VB code. For this purpose, click on File, then Options, then Customize ribbon, then you need Developers. Check on Developers and press OK. Now we have Developer tab, click on Developers, then Visual Basic. Now this is VB. If you could not see this window, you need to insert a VB module, insert then module. So this is module to write a VB code for conversion. I have already written a VB code. I will paste this code into a description. You can easily copy from there. Select all, Control A. Now copy this code, copy, and go to Excel module. Paste here that specific code which I have already written. This is a simple code to convert currency digits into a text. Now close it, just close the VB module. Then insert a small formula with equal sign, spell check, spell number. Click on spell number. Now select this specific cell for the address, then bracket close and press enter. Now guys, you are looking at how easily you can convert your amount into text. $204 and no cent. Now click on that specific cell and drag for inserting formula on lower side. Now $4 and no cent. Decimal point for cents, $10 and 50 cents. Guys, in this way you can easily convert your digits into text. If you have any other currency like euro, I will teach you how to edit your currency. Go to that specific VB code. I have already copied. Then go to Microsoft Word. Paste complete code here. This is the code. Now I will show you how to reset with your local currency. So I will show you how to reset. Like I have pasted everywhere in code cent and dollars. So I will replace the dollar with euro. Suppose you want to convert into your country currency euro. Control G for replacement. Press Control G, then replace. Now type here or copy the exact name of that currency. That is like. So I will go to end for your ease. This is dollar. Click on copy. So I will replace dollar with euro. No, now I will press euro and click on replace all. Now your code has been changed into dollars into euro. Now completely everyone is euro. Select Ctrl A, then copy this code. Now I will paste in VB module. So here is Microsoft Excel developer. This is our module. Erase previous code, then paste your euro code. Now I will check the reflection of this code. Delete. Equals sign, then spell number. Click on spell number, bracket close, and then enter. Now guys, you are looking your country like euro instead of dollars. So guys, in this way you can easily write your own country code. Now everyone is euro instead of dollars. So guys, in this way you can create into your own country currency. Thanks guys for watching, learning. Please like our channel videos and subscribe our channel.